Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Dodge Charger windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, making sure they are the correct length for your specific model. You'll also want a soft towel or cloth to place on the windshield, which helps prevent damage if the wiper arm accidentally drops. This process is straightforward and usually requires no special tools. To begin, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, look for a small tab or button where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook or pin. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Finally, slowly lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Don't forget to repeat these steps for the other windshield wiper blade to complete the replacement. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them using the windshield washer fluid. This ensures they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keeping hydrated is always important, especially on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.